The Ford Motor stock price fell by -4.26% on the last day, Friday, 4th March 2022, from $17.60 to $16.85, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.51% from a day low at $16.64 to a day high of $17.39. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -3.93% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -5 million shares and in total, 90 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.52 billion. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $16.50 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -15.22% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $13.99 and $19.46 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Ford Motor stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $17.40 and $19.23. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 1, 2022, and so far it has risen 0.90%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk stop loss. Ford Motor finds support from accumulated volume at $16.70, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 75 cents between high and low, or 4.51%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.64%. Our recommended stop loss, $15.87, minus 5.79%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 3 days ago. Is Ford Motor stock a buy? Ford Motor holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate. In this position, whilst awaiting further development, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold. Accumulate candidate. Current score, minus 0.973. Insiders are positive, buying more shares than they are selling in Ford Motor. In the last 100 trades there were 4.21 million shares bought and 1.99 million shares sold. The last trade was done 4 days ago by Ford William Clay Jr., who bought 22 shares. The large amount of stocks bought compared to stocks sold indicate that the insiders believe there is a potential good upside. In some cases, larger purchases can be explained by due date for stock options. Predicted opening price for Ford Motor of Monday, March 7, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 7, 2022, $16.96.